Hello Porsche lovers. Today is today. It's unbelievable. Today we're gonna deliver 4 times 911 Turbo S. I'll walk you through. Okay, come on. To start with, well, of course, this one had to just include today because this is the first generation turbo. This is the very first, 76, 75 was the first year, but this is the 76, solid black with cognac leather. Amazing car. This is the only one staying. All of the other will leave today. Here we have a 996 Turbo S. This was actually the rarest of all of those going away today because in the Cabrio it was only produced 983 cars, coupes 600. This one is in Atlas Grey, terracotta leather inside, very beautiful car. This is staying close to us because it will be living just next door. This one here is the 992 Turbo S, the all new, the brand new car. It's actually going to Czechoslovakia. It's an amazing car. I can only say this is the fastest car I've ever been driven. Of course, I tried some Koenigsegg's and so on, but if you take into context that you're only going to drive, you're going to drive when it's wet as well, you're going to be able to, perform on normal streets. This is a very, very fast car. It's all original, but wow, it's fast. They say 650 PS. Many people state that it's over 700. I do believe them. It's very fast. Okay, the next one here is delivered to a very good friend of mine. She's a very beautiful girl, and with this car she will be even more beautiful. This is a Guards Red 911 Turbo S, black inside. Amazing car because it's a 2017 years model, but only 3,000 kilometers. So it's like a brand new car. What you see on the film is actually what it is. It's like new. And the last piece here, it's a 997 Turbo S. Carrera white with black inside. Also a very low mileage car. It's only 27,000 kilometers. We just had it for check by Porsche and it's amazing. It's a clean protocol. They did made some remarks on the tires because they're original tires from 2011, which is very cool. It's original tires still. But also, it's not even a stone chip on the car. It's amazing. So today I can just say, this day will never come back. It's amazing, it's cool, it's everything. Please come by, take a coffee, watch our Porsches. Have a good day, take care, bye-bye.
It's some remarks on the tires because they're 2011 tires. It's not a chip on the amazing. Okay, I can get this day back, it's everything. Please come by, take, hello Porsches, good day, made some reach out. Tires because they're 2011 tires. It's not a chip on the car. This day back, please come by, take a good day, take ciao. Tires back.